Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Kainat Munir and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my topic of discussion is ABAB rhyming scheme. I will do a practical appliance on one stanza of a poem by Robert Frost, Dust of Snow. Robert Frost is an American poet and the poem Dust of Snow, first of all I will discuss its background. A day of Robert Frost doesn't go well in England rural area, and he was in a bleak moment walking under the hemlock tree in winter, and a crow shaking snow from a hemlock tree, and this moment basically transformed the speaker depressed mood into a positive one. It was published in 1923, and it described that how small moment in nature can break a cycle of negativity and save a person's positivity. All right, that was all about the background of the poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. Now, moving on to the first stanza, because this is a concise 8 line poem, so I took the first stanza to describe ABAB rhyming scheme. As you saw in the paper, that I have numbered the 4 lines. The way a crow, number 1, shock down on me 2, the dust of snow 3, from a hemlock tree 4. As I told you tomorrow, that the ABAB rhyming scheme is basically where first line rhymes with the third line. I will mark it here. The first line, rhymes with the third line. And I told you second line rhymes with the fourth line. So here we have second line that rhymes with the fourth line. So now we have to identify what are the rhymes in this stanza. For example, crow, and in the third line snow. Okay, in the second and fourth line we have me and tree. These are the rhyming schemes, these are the rhymes in this sentence, in these lines. So first line I will mark it with a capital letter A, second line mark with the capital letter B, third line will mark with A again, and the fourth line will mark with the B again. So it is ABAB rhyming scheme. How? This is the question, that how it is ABAB rhyming scheme. I have told you before that to label a ordered pattern we use capital letters. So here the way a crow rhymes with the dust of snow. So crow and snow, repetition of similar sounds in the final stress label. You notice that. Okay, shock down on me from a hemlock tree, and the same sounds in the final stress label we have denoted it with B. Okay, basically the crow and snow. Okay, the crow and snow have imperfect rhymes. Okay, in the first line, the way a crow, I have used the capital letter A. In the third line, the dust of snow, I have used the capital letter A. Okay, the shock down on me, line B, it's mean line second, and the fourth line from a hemlock tree, B. So we will arrange this rhyming scheme as ABAB rhyming scheme. And I have told you before that crow and snow share imperfect rhymes. So it's mean that ABAB rhyming scheme is a kind of alternate rhyme where first and third line rhyme with each other, second and fourth line rhyme with each other. So guys, this is my best try to explain you people what is ABAB rhyming scheme, and I hope you understand that. Do subscribe my channel, like and share. Jazakallah.